Every year, as the festival of Dussehra approaches, a beautiful bird faces a terrifying fate. The Indian roller or Neelkanth is captured and tortured, all due to a deep-rooted superstition. Many believe that seeing this vibrant bird during Dussehra will absolve them of their sins. But this belief leads to unimaginable suffering. Thousands of roller birds are trapped, their wings clipped and their legs bound, merely to satisfy this misguided belief. While many purchase these birds from the markets, believing they will fulfill wishes, the harsh reality is that most do not survive captivity. They are not grain eaters, making it nearly impossible for them to survive when confined. When these birds are released, they often hide in fear, a testament to the trauma they endure. But if released in safe areas, away from the urban life, they have a fighting chance to survive. This Dussehra, let's break the cycle of superstition and cruelty. Together, we can protect the Indian roller and celebrate the festival with compassion and understanding. Remember, true blessings come from kindness.